guys, make sure to leave, like, and subscribe. This is a Pringles cup, I guess, container. And it is not Memorial Day. It is not the 4th of July, but it is. I live in America, and we should celebrate America every day, and we should think about America, because that's what being American is. Loving your country and thinking about your country every day. America, 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 America. We should be very patriotic, because that's what freedom and liberty demands. USA, 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 USA. We have drones that drop bombs. We have burgers. Yay.
Get the Bugatti back over there, whatever it's called.
What are we gonna eat for dinner? Let's see, the daily, nightly, whatever routine. We have sweet potato chips. We have Nutellas. We have fruit that we bought 5 years ago. We have a yogurt. We have, what do we have here? We have kale. We have leftover broccoli. We have rotten blueberries. We have a few eggs. We have expired milk. We have oikos. We have oikos. We have oikos. We have oikos. We have pickles. We have a whole ton of sauces that we don't need. And a huge 1-pound block of cheese. Delicious. Let's see what's in the freezer. 3 boxes of open steakums. Yum. Yeah. We have Quaker Oats. We have Country Time lemonade. Uh-oh. Mussels. I mean, if I eat like 15 bowls of Quaker Oats every day, I'll be. We have that. We have that. We have tons of food in here. Ooh. Yar. We have freaking Hot Pockets. Now, shout out to Ephraim's Cooking Show. Make sure to subscribe to Ephraim's Cooking Show 1st year anniversary. He's just hit 36 subscribers, so make sure to subscribe. And the first person who subscribes to Ephraim's Cooking Show, which is Igor, in my channel, comment down below, and you get all my oikos, which is like high protein, very delicious, super yummy. And also subscribe to Garfigan! And if you don't, he'll claymate you into a pile of trash. And if you subscribe to VR66R, you'll live in Mr. Beast's you'll live under his car for a few days, and he'll serve you Mr. Beast burgers. Let me grab a light. 1, 2. That's gonna give someone a seizure. Come on, be straight, light. I should probably get a dimmer light, so I don't blind anyone, because that thing is strong. Unlike my arm that I fell on. Yeah, I was on a bike trail, and it has these rocks called rock gardens. I went over one. Whoa. Where's my dimmer light? It needs to be dim like a Jim Slim. This light is too dim. This light is too dim. Maybe it needs 2 batteries. I'll get it some new batteries. Some new batteries. I love new batteries. Get it some new batteries. 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 We used up all the batteries. Oh yes, batteries. You take double A's. Load it up. That should give us some better light, and hopefully we can see. Oh yeah, that is much better. Still pretty awful. But new batteries, yes. Much needed. That's Scooby. That's Mila. That's Faded. You can hardly see him because he's so black. And this is Bowie, who is currently having trouble standing because his nails are super long. He's like that cat in The Simpsons, where it walks on the nails with its nails so long. And this is my painting. I didn't paint it, but I got it as a elephant gift, whatever. And make sure if you have subscribed to LankyBox to unsubscribe, because that is brain rot, and you don't want to rot your brain. I got my Coke Zero, and there's a bird in the garage. How do you say garage? Type in the comments, because where I'm from, we say garage, and we say grocery cart, sometimes gart. We say bag. So there's a bird right up there where the light is. It's a huge robin, and I set out some seed, and there's blue eggs up there. I'm gonna set out some wet bread. Hopefully she will eat that. And yeah, there was a bird in our, there's a bird on our roof too. What do you think of the birds? Yes, what do you think of the bird? Such beautiful dogs. So I'm gonna get some wet bread, put it out in pieces. Maybe she will eat it. Of course, I don't want to get my oils on the bread, so I'm going to have to use plastic wrap to keep it clean as possible. And I don't want to wash my hands, because then the soap oils will get onto the food and smell like chemicals. Because whenever you wash your hands, there's still soap oils afterwards. So I'm just going to try and keep as much as my oils off the bread. And we're going to wet the bread, break it up into pieces, and put it out so the bird can eat it. And later feed the babies of the blue eggs. We're gonna use the bread that nobody likes, because it's the bread that nobody likes. Now we're gonna get all that mushiness, and we're gonna feed that to the robin. Let's first break it up. So she can get the chunks easier. Okay, let's go. The food is ready. There she is, right there. Oh. Here, I got some bread. Yes, do you want it? It's got some bird seed on it too. Yeah, get some of that bird seed on there. Guys, that is going to be the end of this video. Where did I put my flashlight? There it is. I've already told you this. Please like and subscribe to this channel you're watching now, it really helps. Someone unsubscribed. I don't know who that was, but make sure to like and especially comment for more content like this. I'm uploading slower now this summer because I have less time with my friends, like such as Egort, Ephraim's Cooking Show, Card, Bacon, and Juicy. And all the other characters in my videos. So, yeah, that's it. And yes, don't attack me in the comments, but I do drink Coke Zero. My dad dropped one and it exploded in like a super massive spray explosion. Bigger than any Coke, so they might be putting these things in tanks soon.